Hi everyone, I'm Celeste and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am not doing a cosplay, but I am doing my first unboxing! I don't think it's really a huge unboxing, but it is my first ever Prada purchase! Like this. I'm super excited to be sharing with you my first ever Prada item I've ever owned. This is something that was just kind of shocking. We went in looking for a purse. No, this is not a purse. This is something else. And as you know, I am a shoe connoisseur. So, just letting you know, the experience was wonderful. The lady helping us was a very fun woman. She had such wonderful hair, wonderful, very vibrant lipstick. I'm just like, I live for you. Even though she was in uniform. Which I didn't realize that they had to have uniforms there. Anyway, just to let you know, I've never really shopped at Prada other than their purses, and they sell shoes. I was like, if I'm gonna be trying on shoes, I'll need a little stocking. And they're like, oh, okay. And she comes back and hands me this. I was like, is this for jewelry? Like, what? Why did you hand me this tiny little Prada, like, baggie? Like, why did you hand me this little jewelry box? And I open it, and it was like this really delicately folded stockings. And I was like, with these like specialty made stockings, and they're just like, they feel nice. I want to just use these going out. And so I put these on my foot and I was all like, wow, that's soft. I'm just like, well, maybe I should just go try on shoes from now on and then I'll keep the stockings. They might, there you go. That's how I'm gonna get all of my summer socks. But yeah, look at that. They even have like a little footsie here, like the curve and everything, instead of like those like store, like, here's a little sock that you can use as like a wig cap. You know what I'm talking about? So they gave me this to try on the new shoe. La la la. So let's go ahead and untie this wonderful bow. It says Prada, Prada. I never thought I would see the day where I own something from Prada. And of course, this was purchased for me from my husband. So shout out to my wonderful husband who got me this beautiful box. It's not just a beautiful box. This looks so Cinderella. Like, are you kidding me? Look at this pale blue with like, it just feels nice. Would you guys like it if I did like an ASMR? Like, here's my box. Let me open it. Do you like that? If you like that, leave a like and then say in the comments, ASMR please. Okay, so this is so cool. Like this elastic, I'm probably gonna recycle this elastic into something because look at this. Like the box itself has this elastic on it that says Prada and it stretches. Like this looks like it can be part of a belt handle. Like, are you kidding me? That's crazy. Not on top of that, like this box, I'm totally gonna put some jewelry on this and take it with me. And, like, just put it on my vanity, you know? Okay, time to open. La la. The box. For those who don't know, I love the smell of new, and this is definitely a new box. This is why I went back to school, to learn how to go into production management, or production technology management, so I can smell new. Okay, so let me turn this, and this is Prada. Open this little goodness. And this is actually a really big shoe, and voila! Look at these babies. I love them. I got to try them on in the store, so I know what they are. No surprises. And I'm gonna put one down. But look at these beautiful babies. They are the nylon, like leather, combat style ankle booties, and they have the Prada logo here in the nice little diamond. I don't know how well you can see that, but I'll just let you see. And then of course there is the functioning zipper. This is very perfect for living in Copenhagen because you have the grit on the bottom and their heels. It's so chunky too because we have a lot of cobblestone. With a lot of cobblestone, I don't like the idea of wearing a stiletto heel because if you go in between the cracks, you kind of get stuck and it's very uneven. So having something more rigid and rugged and hardcore, I love this. This is like military gone luxury high fashion. So let me go ahead and put these on for you. And yeah, like, whee. I love these things. When I've had them on in the store, it just felt like a so right thing. I had to have them. I tried them on, had my face turning red. I'm slightly turning red. Like, you can't tell, maybe you can't tell, I don't know. But I love these. They're so amazing. I'm so happy to have them in my possession. I'm going to be wearing these everywhere. What's that? I should be wearing sandals because it's summer. I don't care. I'm going to wear this. What's that? Going to go to like... I couldn't think of anything else because I'll wear them even if I'm just going to the grocery store. These are so cool. And apparently I'm just like amazed with how they like tied the shoe, because the shoelace doesn't go that crisscross. It goes like a simple line way, which I'm not used to, and I was like, wow, that's really neat. So it's laced up really uniquely. I love this shoe. It's so cool. Oh, just to make sure you guys know, if it is a new thing that is mine, I'm gonna lick it. So I'm gonna lick my own shoes. I probably shouldn't have done that, but I did lick my own shoes because they're mine now. And that's how it's going to be. If you guys like my videos like this, let me know with a comment down below. If you like the idea of ASMR, type ASMR please, and I'll probably try to do that in the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't checked out my other shoe videos, like my Jimmy Choo wedding shoes, go ahead and click on this link here, and I will see you in a future video. So remember to stay inspired, be creative, and I'll see you in a future video. I said that twice now. Alright, well, bye!